You watching the game this Sunday?
Oh, yeah. Yeah, I like the commercials.
Oh, there's a bunch online already.
Yeah, it kind of ruins it for me.
Well, it used to be the commercials were better than the game.
Which one was your favorite?
Remember the one where they were herding cats?
That was a good one.
Oh, what about the talking baby? It was, investments or something.
That was okay. I like the Clydesdales.
Yeah, the one where they kicked the field goal.
Yeah.
And the puppy one.
Puppies and babies, man. People love them.
That, monkey baby donkey thing was funny.
That was strange. I don't remember who that was for.
Yeah, that's the problem. I go crazy and spend all this money on a commercial for the game. Can't even remember who it's for. I need you to just show you what they're selling.
You're right.